anyone potentially may be qualified for Social Security regardless of their age. Of course, a lot of it depends on the opinion of your doctor and your treating sources. Social Security in analyzing a claim goes through a 5-step sequential process. Step number 1 is, are you working, of course. If you are in fact working, you're not disabled regardless of what impairments you may have. Then they work through other criteria, including what they call the Social Security listings, which is a list of criteria that Social Security recognizes as being clearly disabling if your condition is as serious as that described in their listing. If you do not meet their specific listing, then you can be disabled based upon various vocational factors. When you go to a hearing with a judge, there will likely be a vocational expert there to testify about your abilities to perform specific jobs. Those vocational factors they look at are age, education, previous work history, and then what's wrong with you. The older you are, the easier it is to get Social Security. And if you're not well educated, the less education you have, they understand that it's harder for you to get a job. But potentially anybody is eligible for Social Security. If you have any doubts, give us a call and we'll give you our best opinion as to whether you'll be eligible.